Hello everyone, this is Eric from COW Group. Today I'm going to give you an introduction of our newly produced Sinotruk HOWO garbage compactor truck. Here you can see this is the Sinotruk HOWO chassis, and the horsepower is 280. It is usual for emission standard. So this truck is designed for the Asian countries. You can see here the box size is 14 cubic meters, and it is designed for the garbage compactors, and the control system is in PLC system. And right here you can see this is the main control valves with all the pressure gauge and the hydraulic pressure gauge. And then we have the manual control system here. So you can use these handles to control all the movements of the truck. As you can see here, this is a rear loader garbage compactor truck. The whole loading system is in the back of the truck. Here, you can see here, first of all, you can see here, this is the bucket tipping system. So for most bucket size around like 120 liters, 240 liters of barrels can be tipping from here. And then this is the filling structure here, and inside we have the compacting system, which is like the hand. They scratch the garbage inside and then compact into the garbage box. And here we have the PLC control box. It's the electrical control, which is connected with the manual valve in front of the garbage box. For this controlling system, we have two modes. First of all, we have the manual mode and then the auto mode. Manual mode is usually for the bucket tipping. We can handle it from here. And for this PLC control box, we have installed both sides of the truck. So you can either control from here and then the other side. Let me show you. Here is the other control box for the PLC system. And underneath the filling structure, we have a sewage tanks. So this tank, you can open it from here. The inside is for the sewage water connection. So make sure there's no any leakage for the sewage water to contaminate the road or the feeding area. The opening of this cover of the sewage container is sealed by this rubber band, so to make sure there is no leakage. Box, we have another sewage container here. So because when you do the compacting, the sewage water will be storage inside, and then it can be flow into this sewage water tank. So that makes sure the inside of the garbage is drier. And for this sewage tanker, we have a valve here. So all the sewage waters can be drained from this valve here. On the top of the garbage box, we installed the valves to control the speed of the filling structures. From here, you can adjust the speed of the hydraulic systems. Here is the overall introduction of this truck. If you have any question or any inquiry, please feel free to let us know. This is Eric from CAMC Group. See you next time. Bye. Please subscribe our channel from here and then share our channel with your friend. Thank you.